up, guys, and welcome back to Project Z Garage. I wanted to do a short video of the unboxing. I don't know when we're going to put this on the F10, the BMW F10 535i, but we got an exhaust for it from MagnaFlow. It just came in the mail a couple of days ago. I'm not really happy with the shipping, as they damaged up the box. As you can see, one of the hangers is sticking through. It's a good thing it's all metal. This is a stainless steel exhaust system. I got the quad tip. It took months to come in, but you know, I guess not a lot of people are ordering these from MagnaFlow for the BMW, but they told me it's very rare to get this because it took a very long time to get done, and it's the custom order. Like, it's as you order it is when it comes in, or when they start making it, whatever the case may be. But let's open it up and go through it so you guys can check it out. Make sure, and I need to make sure nothing got damaged. I had to tape it up so I can move it downstairs into the garage. Well, as you can see, the main parts here, they put a bubble wrap on. They put some foam on the hanger, so I guess so it doesn't dent anything up. You know, it looks pretty good, all mandrel bent. Let's see what we got.
There's a lot
these got to be the mufflers. You want to take those out?
There's a lot of mufflers here. It's dual mufflers?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's going all the way out the back?
Yep.
Oh, great.
This is for the BMW, Al.
My bad.
So pull this out. This is the downpipe. This is all 3-inch. I think these are 3-inch, right? What do you think?
Yeah. So it looks like there's a resonator.
Yeah.
Then off the resonator, it splits to the two exhaust lines, and then to the mufflers in the back, right?
Yeah. So I'm guessing this is probably off of the catalytic converter. So this slides onto the cat, and then we get to the center piece here. So it probably slides into that piece there. You want to pull that out? Let's lay everything out. I mean, that should be it, that and that.
Yeah.
Like, we could kind of lay out what it's supposed to look like. Yep, here's the foam. Oh, there we go. We got our installation instructions if you guys are interested. As you can see there, 2013 to 2015 BMW 535i 3.0 liter, and you kind of see how the layout's supposed to be. I mean, it's pretty simple. Alright, like that should be like that. Yeah, so that's got to be the cat, off of the cat. So you have the cat, and then that downpipe area, which has this resonator which splits, and then we have the two pipes that go to the mufflers and out the front. See if anything else is in here that we're missing. Nope. And we got the bands and clamps there, which will throw a fit. I'm really excited, but I kind of want to get I'm really excited to get this installed on the 535. I do want to get a stock dyno done on the car, the way it is, nothing done to it, and then I want to do a dyno after we've done all the upgrades, so we can see where we started from and where we end up with everything done. Now, the best part that we saved to the end, let's get one of these mufflers so you can see what the tips look like. You want to get the thing off so you can see the mufflers?
Do you want to take it off?
This piece, so we can see the muffler tips.
One? Isn't that one easier to take off?
Or whichever one is easier to take off.
That one in the box or whatever you want.
So that's the dual tip. And chrome. Oh, not chrome, I guess that's polished, right?
I don't know, that looks pretty shiny to me.
No.
No.
Now, I kind of want to get these powder coated black because the car is a shadow trim and the stock exhaust is blacked out, the tip. But I don't know, Al likes this better, I think. No? Well, what do you think?
I said leave it with the other one.
Yeah.
No, honestly, I thought the black would have been a better.
Well, they don't come in black, so you would have to do
Guess
it
what?
ourselves.
I say work with it the way it is because, in all honesty, I feel like this coating, the way this is, they always go bad.
I mean, it looks really nice.
Well, we'll see. Let's see. It looks good now.
Yeah.
It looks nice now.
I mean, they do give you a lifetime warranty on it for any defects. But it's full stainless steel. Yeah, I think they're gonna look really good on the car. You know, it's not super big where it looks kind of out of place. I think it's kind of like an OEM look.
That is an OEM look, though.
You know, it's not too gigantic.
Yeah, it's not like they're gonna pull you over and say, hey, you know, you got an aftermarket exhaust.
Yeah. But, you know, I guess we'll put it up against the car one day and see how it looks. But I kind of just wanted to show you guys the kit. It came in. I don't know when we're going to do it because there's a lot of other stuff that has to get done first. But I'm really excited. Stuff is starting to come in for the performance side of it where we can start seeing what this car can do. But Al's shaking his head because he doesn't want to do anything modified anymore. But I'm excited, guys. So like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll catch you in the next video.